Are you buying a home? Maybe you are or maybe you aren't. But this home has a great location and it has many upgrades, awesome open floor plan. This is Iris Heredia with Homes by Iris, and I want you to come and take a look at this home. Follow me. This beautiful home is in the heart of Sharyland, awesome location in Bentsen Lakes. Many upgrades. Look at this gorgeous kitchen. You have granite, new appliances in stainless steel, new paint in the cabinets, Plantation Shutters all around, as you can see here in the breakfast nook area, and fresh paint inside and out. And look at this open floor plan with high ceilings. This home has it all, and it's sitting on 9,100 Lot Sqft. Enough space for a pool or a pergola if you want. And it has 3,060 living area. It has 4 bed and 2.5 bath. This home has 9,100 Lot Sqft. As you can see, it's a huge lot. It is perfect for a pool or a pergola. You know how we have these hot days? So this has everything that you need. So please like, comment, and share if you like this video. Thank you for watching us. And this is Iris with Homes by Iris. Make it a great home buying and selling day.